Let's head over to Amazon and do a search for Barbie toys. Are there products selling for $50 and more with at least 50 to 100 reviews? Let's check. Here's one. Here's another. This one doesn't have the reviews. Here's another. There are 3 results on the first page that satisfy rule number 1. So we can conclude rule number 1 is satisfied. And there are nearly 50,000 results on Amazon for Barbie toys. Now, let's check with Google AdWords Keyword Planner whether this niche satisfies the third rule. The tool returns a lot of results for Barbie toys, and all of them are very closely related. So, the third rule is satisfied. Let's now check seasonality and regional interest. Scroll down to the regional interest section and you can see that the demand for these toys is more in the Philippines and in the United Kingdom than in the United States. There is demand in the US, but the demand is more in other countries. We should make a note of that. Now take a look at this graph. You see these spikes here? This is a clear indication that this is a seasonal niche. Let's check for the year 2015 or for any year for that matter. Demand exists all year round but is very significant only during December. When you see something like this happen, you will have to take a call whether or not to go ahead with further research. None of the checks disqualified the niche. The regional interest is more in other countries, but Barbie toys are obviously selling in the US market as well. When you come across a niche like this, you would want to make a note of the seasonal pattern of the demand and keep that in mind while doing the keyword research. Should you build a site around Barbie toys? You can't say that until you have done the keyword research, which we will discuss in the next section.